there! I wanted to tell you about this standing desk. I received this as a gift so that I could show you how easy it is to put together, how easy it is to use, and some cool variations for this. So let me show you just really quickly how well it came together, and then I want to show you some really cool features. This was really easy to put together. It came with a one-pager with pictures on it, so very intuitive. All of the pieces that came with it were organized nicely, and of course here I'm just putting the wheels on there. These do have a locking mechanism, which I'll show you here shortly, so really great. And then these pieces are, as you can see, adjustable. They go up and down so that when we add the surface on top, we can adjust it to the height of your body. So here then, just taking the base and attaching it to the top. So notice how big this surface area is for a work area. Really, really nice. And then also it's got this slot for a phone or for a tablet. Fits a lot of different tablets. Nice slot there. And then it's got some different areas here where you can adjust the height of it for you. That has wheels that also have a locking mechanism, so you can lock them if you need to. And then notice the width here. The base is wide enough that it will fit a lot of different walking pads. So not only can you use this desk to stand, but you could also put it over the top of your walking pad if the dimensions fit and walk while you work. So this is a really nice standing desk or walking pad desk. Thanks. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of some really cool products, please hit subscribe. Thanks.